am Toto.
And I am Tina.
Today, we will learn how to say our introduction.
Yes, it is very easy and fun.
First, say your name. You can say,
My name is...
not like this, say like me, as my name is Toto, so I say, my name is Toto.
Okay, my name is Tina. Is that right?
Yes, that's right. Now you try.
Now say my name is, tell us your name.
Next, say your age.
You can say, I am 3 years old.
I am 4 years old. Now, how old are you? Count your age on fingers.
Tell us, say I'm years old.
Now, say where you live.
You can say, I live in
a big city.
I live in a small town.
Your turn.
Where do you live? Tell us. Well done.
Now, say what you like.
You can say, I like whatever you like to do.
Say like me. I like to play with my ball.
I like to draw pictures.
Great job, friends.
Now, let's say it all together.
My name is Toto.
I am 3 years old.
I live in a big city.
And I like to draw pictures. Your turn. Say your introduction.
Great job! Thanks for learning with us.
Subscribe to Smarty Tots.
See you next time. Bye!